Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn a very important topic of TY BCom that is called trips. So in this video we will learn what is the concept of trip and how it works. So the concept of trip is a WTO agreement. WTO means World Trade Organization. So WTO existed from 1995. So when WTO came, that time many agreement comes, that is AOA, TRIPS, TRIMS and all. So TRIPS is a WTO agreement. The full form of TRIP is trade related aspect of intellectual property right. TRIPS means trade related aspect of intellectual property right. Now what TRIP used to do? So TRIPS may introduce many property rules into the multinational trading system. Okay, before understand this economical language, let me tell you a very simple meaning of a trip. It protects the use of information and idea that are of a commercial value. ट्रिप्स का मतलब होता है कि वॉट एवर इन्वेंशन यू मेड, वॉट एवर डिस्कवरीज और वॉट एवर ब्रांड और लोगोज और नेम यू हैव गिवन टू योर प्रोडक्ट. So it means that now you should have ownership on that particular goods, services, invention and discoveries. So TRIPS protect your intellectual property right. It means suppose you have your own house. So how can you say it's my house? Because you have a property papers of that house. You have a right on that particular house. You have that document. You can show that it's mine. So same here, TRIPS provide property or ownership of that person, brand and companies and countries on that particular ideas, information, goods, services, invention and discoveries. So ट्रिप्स एक तरह का अग्रीमेंट है जो अगर आपने किसी भी तरह का इन्वेंशन, डिस्कवरीज वगैरह की है तो उस राइट को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ट्रिप्स की वजह से हमें ये पता चल जाता है कि ये पर्टिकुलर गुड्स, सर्विसेज, इन्वेंशन का ओनर कौन है. सो TRIPS protect the intellectual property rights. Next is, now TRIPS is also called IPR, that is intellectual property right. Don't get confused, both are same. TRIPS is also called IPR, that is intellectual property right. So on international level, TRIP is or IPR is regulated by WIPO, that is World Intellectual Property Organization. Next, the concept TRIP came into force from 1st Jan 1995. Okay, when WTO made agreement TRIPS, that time they have given many years to countries, or they have given different years and different time for a developing and undeveloped country to follow it. So developed country got 1 year to follow the rules and regulation of TRIPS. Developing countries got 5 years until 2000 to follow the rules and regulation of TRIPS, and less developed countries they got 11 years until 2000, which was extended to 2016 for pharma patent. मतलब जो लेस डेवलप कंट्री है उनको 11 साल मिले हैं, लेकिन 2016 तक डेट किसका बढ़ा है? सिर्फ फार्मा पेटेंट, जो फार्मा कंपनीज है उनके लिए. सो दिस इज अ इंट्रो अबाउट द ट्रिप. ट्रिप इज अ वन टाइप ऑफ अग्रीमेंट विच प्रोटेक्ट इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट ऑफ द पर्सन. इसका मतलब जिसने भी कोई इन्वेंशन किया है या कोई गुड्स बनाई है, कोई ब्रांड है, कोई लोगो है, तो उस पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स पे उसी पर्सन का राइट है जिसने वो इन्वेंट किया है. सो ये जो राइट है वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है ट्रिप्स. नेक्स्ट, IPR provide norms. Norms mean rules. IPR provides norms and standard for all areas of intellectual property. It means that whatever intellectual properties areas are there where IPR decide rules and regulation and maintain the standard. Next, now what IPR include? Intellectual property right including copyright, patent, trademark, geographical indication, industrial design, layout, etc. Now, developed countries are mostly the user of IPR. As we know very well, in intellectual property rights, developed nation are owner because they are already developed, so they may be having the good sources to make some invention and all, and developing countries are mostly the user of IPR because we are still on a path of developing. Next, now what is the meaning of copyright and what it include? So in India, the concept copyright was passed in 1911. Copyright कब तक रहता है? So in most of countries, copyright will be remain for the 50 years after the death of the person who created that work. मतलब जिस भी इंसान ने वो काम किया है उसकी डेथ के बाद 50 साल तक उस चीज़ पर उसी इंसान का कॉपीराइट रहता है. ओके, कॉपीराइट इंक्लूड विच टाइप ऑफ authorship, like in case of literacy, drama, music, artistic work such as poetry, novel, movie, song, computer software, architecture. If we made something new and innovation in this all the field, that time we are having copyright on this particular thing. Example, you have written very interesting novel, so the name of the novel, then cover of the novel, on that, but on that entire book you are having copyright. No one can copy it without your permission, and if the person is going to do, then you can claim on that person. So the copyright protect the right of the person who has created. जैसे कोई song है, you have seen now there are remake of many song. So before make a remake, जो जिसने भी वो original song बनाया है उससे हमें permission लेनी पड़ती है. Next is patent. It gives its owner the legal right to exclude others from making, using, selling and importing an incentive for the limited period of years. Patent providing legal right to owner. इसका मतलब होता है without owner permission no one can make that good, no one can use it, no one can sell it and no one can import it. पेटेंट का मतलब होता है हमने किसी भी फील्ड में इन्वेंशन किया है, सच एज इंडस्ट्रियल टेक्नोलॉजी, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, प्लांट वेराइटीज एंड एक्सेट्रा. एग्जाम्पल, सपोज देयर इज a person who has made some invention in a field of plant variety, so that person got and that country got a patent. Now without that country and without that person permission we cannot make it, we cannot use it, we cannot sell it and we cannot import. Next is पेटेंट आर यूजली ग्रांटेड फॉर द पीरियड ऑफ 20 ईयर. पेटेंट मतलब जो लीगल ओनरशिप रहती है वो पर्सन की, वो कितने साल की रहती है, वो प्रोडक्ट वो इन्वेंशन पे 20 ईयर्स की. पेटेंट इज अ टेरिटोरियल, इट मीन दैट पेटेंट इज नॉट अप्लाइड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, इट इज रिमेन एंड इट इज इट कवर द कंट्री, इट कवर द टेरिटरी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंट्री. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज trademark. It is a sign which help us to make distinguish between goods and services of one enterprise to another enterprise. Okay, student and friends, you maybe know very well there are many products available in the market, but something is a very very different, so we can identify this is a particular good and that is a particular good and all. So trademark help us to make distinguish between goods and services from one enterprise to other enterprise. Trademark protect logos, name and brand. Okay, example, if you will see the Google sign, so you can say this is Google sign because this is a trademark of Google. No one can copy it. Symbol of Maharaja of Air India is a trademark. Say now symbol of Maharaja of Air India, no one can copy it because it is a trademark of that Air India. So trademark protect the logos, name and brand. Example, there are many vehicles available in the market, many cars are available in the market, but each and every car have different logos, name and brand, and we can easily distinguish okay, this is Audi, this is BMW, this is Ferrari on because each and every have a different logos and name and brand and no one can copy it. So trademark help us to distinguish between goods and services. See, you can see there are many products available in the market like Coca-Cola brand, Honda, Yahoo, then BBC, Nokia, Toyota, Pepsi. So these are the trademark. By logos, name and brand only we can say कि हाँ ये product ये है, ये वाला product ये है. Next is geographical indication. It is used on products that have a specific geographical origin and the possess quality that are due to that origin. See, geographical indication यूज़ की जाती है उस प्रोडक्ट पे जो पर्टिकुलर जोग्राफिकल एरिया से रिलेट करता है. It include handcraft, foodstuff and manufactured. Example, basmati rice. When we'll say basmati rice, that time we'll get the idea about Punjab side. Darjeeling tea, Kolhapuri chappal, Bikaneri bhujia, Assami tea. So these are the geographical indication. जब हम बोलते हैं कोल्हापुरी चप्पल, so it means that in our mind the Kolhapuri chappal, it means that that geographical area will come in our mind. When we say Bikaneri bhujia, that time Rajasthan will come in our mind. So geographical indication not only specify the product is belong to particular region and particular area. You can see some example like Darjeeling tea, after Assam city, Nilgiri. So these are the geographical indication. Next is industrial design. It is the title granted by an official authority to protect ornamental means decorative aspect of an object. Industrial design means, suppose कि I have a one product, so I will give design to my product, so that product design will no one copy. So it means that I have given design to my product, now no one can copy it. That is called industrial design. Coke bottle. You have seen Coke bottle. The shape of Coke bottle, it means that industrial design. So no one can copy it. Computer design. Smartphone. So industrial design means कि particular industry ने अपने product को एक design दिया है and no one can copy that design, because now industry got a right and we can legal right on that particular product. You have seen many chocolates are available in the market, but what is the logo, whatever design of a dairy milk is there, no one can copy it. Same many perfume bottles are there, so whatever shape of the perfume bottle, no one can copy it. So that is called industrial design. The theme of World Intellectual Property Day 2019 is for gold, IP and sports. And the theme of World Intellectual Property Right for 2020 इनोवेटिव फॉर अ ग्रीन फ्यूचर. इसका मतलब है अभी इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट ज़्यादा करके किसके ऊपर फोकस है, एनवायरमेंटल सेफ्टी. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप सो दिस वीडियो विल क्लियर योर ऑल द डाउट regarding IPR. In short, IPR means intellectual property right. It protect the person ownership on innovation, ideas, information, discoveries and all. So I hope friends this video will make your doubt clear about the IPR, and please just comment it, did you like this video or not, please. Thank you so much and subscribe it.